In this video I'm going to be talking about standing meditation. And standing meditation is one of the best and most efficient practices for meditating while improving your physical vitality and your connection to your body, your humanity, and the grounded aspects of living in the world, having security, having passion, having play, and having good health. Because meditation, if not done properly, can be overly spiritually emphasized. It can lead to a state of being where somebody is not balanced with their humanity, with the earthly aspects of themselves. And standing meditation is something that Qigong masters, people in China who were working to attain spiritual harmony and to heal others and themselves, have used for thousands of years. And many Qigong masters have used standing meditation as their principal tool for healing and spiritual harmony. And it is even taught to people in hospitals today to help alleviate their sickness. And there are a few different poses you can use, and I'm just going to show you 2 or 3 very simple poses and a small cool down and warm up routine so that you can feel a little bit looser after you stand. And how long should you do standing meditation for? Well, it's better to do for 2-3 minutes really well than to do like 45 minutes with a very poor concentration, and you end up hurting yourself because you're trying to force a really long pose for a long time. It's better to build gradually, but you can experiment a little bit, but keeping things very simple and gentle can be very good. And where should you do standing meditation? Well, standing meditation can be done anywhere, and it is very effective to do it near trees because trees have such rooted and grounded energy. And maybe somewhere a little bit more unseen. You don't really, I hear people do it in the park, but you don't really want to do it like right in the middle of everyone in a crowded park. It's not necessarily the most beneficial pose, but if some people see you from time to time, not a big deal. It's important, the energy that you choose for where you do your standing meditation, just like any meditation. So doing it in nature can be good, doing it in a room can be good, but if you do it in a room, then maybe tidy your room or use some feng shui, and you'll notice these things for yourself. You don't need anyone to tell you this because it will be so obvious to someone that spends a lot of time doing this. And you can start off with by imagining that your feet are like trees with roots in the ground, but really it should be more of a Zen meditation where you do nothing, you just stand, and perhaps guide your breath a tiny bit if you can't keep any meditative mind, or perhaps remind yourself to relax and let go, or chant a mantra for a minute or 2. But the best form of this kind of standing meditation is to do nothing, just stand.